Hi, I'm Terry from Arctic Home Living. Today we're going to show you how to change your filters in your 780 series Sundance spa. Very first thing you're going to do is turn off your breaker at your home circuit breaker, then come back to your tub. You're going to lift your filter lid off, set that outside of the spa, and you actually have two filters in your 780 series tub. You have a microclean filter along with a pleated filter. Those are both locked into place with a filter nut here on the left hand side of the spa if you're standing outside. Very first thing you're going to do is back that nut off, then slide the filter back towards that nut, lift up and out, okay? Since this filter is two parts, you can unscrew this top part of the filter simply by threading this gray piece off, showing you that you have two filters here. Filters can be replaced, put back together, this threaded on, and put back into the hot tub like so. Tighten that nut back down, and you're good to go. You can buy these filters at Arctic Home Living at any three of our locations or arctichomeliving.com.